Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure blood oxygen or SpO2 levels using your Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, make sure that both your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest software version. So on your iPhone, open the Settings app, then scroll down to General section, then go to Software Updates and check if there are any updates for your device. Also go to the About section and check if the latest version is installed on your iPhone. On your Apple Watch, you have to open the apps list and find Settings application. To open the apps list, press the digital crown. Now let me focus the camera. Okay. Now wait until we find the Settings app. Then here go to General section again and also check if there are any software updates for your device, and also go to the About section and check if your watchOS version is up to date. Okay, so now you have to wear your Apple Watch onto the wrist where it's supposed to be worn, and place your wrist flat with the watch facing upwards. The watch band should be snug but comfortable for the sensor to work correctly. Now press the digital crown once and on the apps list find the blood oxygen app, open it, then tap next, scroll down, tap next once again. Keep your device facing up, do not move your arm during this entire process, and when you're ready just tap done, start, and then wait for the measures to be taken. Stay still for 15 seconds. Okay. And here you can check the blood oxygen level, but for more results you have to check your iPhone, and on your iPhone you have to find and open the Health app. To find it you have to open the app library and search for Health. Once you find it, open it. Now go to Browse by tapping the search icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and now go to the respiratory and find blood oxygen here. And here is the latest test that you took, and you can check more blood oxygen data by tapping right here and checking your daily average high elevation environment range of your blood oxygen, and the information from today, this week, this month, last half a year, or the last year. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.